To deploy apps on Jekyo, you must have Node.js, npm, and Git installed. You can find more details about the local setup in the description below. If it's your first time using Jekyo, you need to install it, create an account, and sign in. All of these can be done from your terminal. To install Jekyo, run npm install, pass the global flag Jekyo. To create an account, run Jekyo user sign up and follow the instructions. To sign in, run Jekyo user sign in and then input your username and password when prompted. This tutorial covers two scenarios: creating and deploying a sample Vue app and configuring and deploying an existing Vue app. To create a Vue app, run Jekyo create. This will show you a list of frameworks. Selecting one will clone a pre-configured basic app that you can build upon. So go ahead and select Vue using the arrows on your keyboard. Name your application, Vue demo, okay. And now you can see that in the folder you are working in, there's a new one with the name you've just given and the app inside of it. To deploy this app, switch to its directory and then run Jekyo deploy. Now the app is deployed and you can follow the link to see it live on Jekyo. If you want to redeploy this app after you've modified it, commit your changes and simply run Jekyo deploy again. To deploy an existing Vue app, first navigate to its directory. I'm in the app's root. This needs to be a Git repository. If you haven't done so already, make your first commit by running git init, git add dot, which is short for all, and git commit a commit message. If this was already a Git repository, skip that last step. Next, you must edit the file called package.json, which should be in the root of your app. Edit the serve line and scripts to also include Jekyo's port and host by passing the two necessary flags: port variable, and host. Also, add another line called start with two commands: npm run build and npm run serve. Go ahead and save the file, add it to Git. Next, you must edit the file called vue.config.js, or if you don't have it, you need to create it. Vue.config.js. And in here we need to disable host check, module exports, dev server, disable host check should be true, just like so. Save the file, add it to Git, vue.config.js, and commit your changes. Okay, now run Jekyo create, and this time from the list select none. This creates an app on Jekyo that's temporarily empty. We will then link our local app to this empty app on Jekyo. Give your app a name, and then link your local app by running Jekyo link. Select your recently named app from the list, in my case, my Vue. Now run Jekyo deploy. The deployment process can take up to a few minutes depending on your app. Now the app is deployed on myvue.jekyo.app and you can see it live. If you want to update your live app, add the modified files to the Git index, commit your changes, and simply run Jekyo deploy again, and then you'll see your changes live in a few moments without any downtime. Feel free to post any questions you might have in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.